Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to the latest episode of our Sunday Stock Market Watchlist series. I host these Sunday Stock Talk every single weekend. Do tune in and subscribe to the channel. Here I'll be diving into the economic calendar, highlighting the key earnings reports for the week, and sharing my top 5 stock picks to keep an eye on. Also, before we jump into the content, don't forget to join our community through the link provided in the comments section below. Alright, so let's get started. The stock market had a strong week. In fact, all major indices reached new all time highs. This positive performance was due to better than expected inflation data and strong corporate earnings reports. The Dow Jones gained by 1.2%, the S&P 500 rose 1.5% and the Nasdaq climbed by 2%. Okay, so let's take a look at the earnings report for this week. Not a lot that we are watching for this week. We are looking at Zoom on Monday, Nvidia on Wednesday. Let's review the major economic events on this week's calendar. Not much to anticipate, but we do have initial jobless claims coming up on Thursday. Now, let's dive into our watch list, starting with Google. Google is looking very strong this week. We are watching for a break above 180 and considering 180 calls with targets at 180, 182 and 184. We are not looking to play the downside. Next we have Tesla. Tesla is attempting to recover and we are closely watching for a break above 180, which is its current resistance. If it breaks, we expect it to push towards 190 with momentum. We are considering 185 or 190 calls targeting 185, 190 and 195. Now on to Nvidia. For Nvidia, we are monitoring both upside and downside potentials. For upside, we are watching for a break above 968, the resistance zone, and considering 970, 975 and 980 calls. For downside, we are looking at a break below 916, the support zone, and considering 915 puts with targets at 910, 905 and 900. Next we have SMCI. With SMCI, we are also watching both directions. For upside, we are eyeing a break above 971, the resistance zone, and considering 1000 calls with targets at 980, 990 and 1000. For downside, we are watching for a break below 820, the support zone, and considering 820 puts with targets at 810, 800 and 790. Lastly, let's look at Microsoft. For Microsoft, if it breaks above 425 with momentum, we are considering 430 calls with targets at 430, 432 and 434. For downside potential, we are watching for a break below 410 and considering 410 puts with targets at 410, 408 and 406. These are the 5 stocks on our watch list for this week. That's it for now. Remember to always do your research, stay informed, and trade responsibly. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to check out our community link for more updates. Happy trading, everyone!